subject grammar of class 4th, right? Okay, so what is the chapter number 12? Chapter number 12 is the perfect tense, right? We have completed chapter number 11, okay? Okay, so now first of all take out page number 57. Have you opened, children? Okay, now see in the yellow box here, what is it written? We will see first of all what is the definition. When we want to talk about the actions that have just happened in the immediate past. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? Can you tell me what is the meaning of this? When we want to talk about the actions that have just happened in the immediate past. Immediate past means we are talking about past tense. Okay, जैसे हम past के बारे में बातें करते हैं, we talk about yesterday or day before yesterday, that all are past tense. Okay, but immediate past means 2 minutes before, right? I was teaching you before, है ना? From 1 minute, 2 minutes, from 5 minutes, I am teaching you, right? So that is not the past tense, but that is the immediate past. Okay. So when we want to talk about the actions, जो actions हुई है, अगर हमको किसी action के बारे में बात करनी है, the actions that have happened in the immediate past or actions that begin in the past and are continuing. Begin in the past means 5 मिनट पहले जो चीज तुम कर रहे थे. For example, you were playing before 5 minutes and you are still playing, right? So that thing is continuing. Okay, so that is continuing. We use present perfect tense. Okay, for that which tense we will use? Present perfect tense. Clear up till the definition, children? Okay, now see in the green box what is it written? See, first of all, after present perfect tense, see here we form the present perfect tense by using has, have and a past participle. What we will use here? In the past tense we are using was and were, right? Understood? But in this, in the present perfect tense, what we will use? Has and have. Okay, are you understanding? We will use has and have, but have for the plural. Have with plural sentences. Okay, and has with singular. Clear up till here? Man means when in the sentence it is given he, she, it. Okay. So what you will use? Here you will use has. And when in the sentence we, you, they and I. These are the things given. You will use have in the sentence. Okay. Understood? Clear up till here? So how the sentence will be? Have plus past participle will be there. See, for example, here you have given some examples. See in the green box, they have opened the door. Have plus participle they. They means it is a plural, right? So many people are there. That's why what we have used opened. So for example, in the bracket you have given open, right? But we are talking about the past. Okay, so हम past में पीछे क्या use करते हैं? ed करते हैं. Do you remember? I have taught in the previous lecture to you. Understood? So what the thing will be? Open. Here we will write open. Understood? So what will be the answer? They have. Here like this. They have opened the door. Clear? You can see in your book. So what we have used have plus past participle. This is which given in the bracket. This is a verb. It's called as a past participle. Okay? Understood? This verb we will use in the form of the past participle. So clear up till this number. Okay. So next. See, we are moving further. See, what is it? Look at the examples given below. Now we have given some examples of principal tense, past tense and the past participle. Past participle we are going to study in this lecture. Okay. So now what is it written? In the principal tense it is coast. Past में भी coast ही होगा. We cannot write as a coasted. Okay. So coast, coast and again coast. What does it read? So read, read and read. Clear? Now bite. So bite will be bite, beat and bitten in the past participle. Okay? Clear? Now again it is ring. So what will be there? Ring, rang and rung. Understood? Yes. What is it next? Find, found, found. Again find, found and found. What is it? Weep. Weep, wept and wept. Understood? Clear? Like this you will make in the past perfect tense. Okay, so now take out page number 58. Have you opened, children? See, here we have given some fill in the blanks. We have to fill up. But with which tense? With the present perfect tense. With this tense we will feel how I have explained you here. Okay, so in that way we will feel it. Okay, now see what is the first number? Many people blank in the bracket see the magic show. अब मेरे को ये बताओ, see this is your verb you have given here. Okay, so see what will the past what will be the past participle of this? It would be seen. Clear? Are you understanding what I am saying you? And many people means there are so many people, so it is a plural thing. So what we will use in the first blank, it is given to you, have seen. Clear? Okay, now see in the second number, what is it? You blank burn 2 toasts already. Now in the second you have given burn. In the bracket you have given here burn. Okay, so what is the question? You means it is plural. We are talking about so many people. Okay, so you, what we will use, have or has? Yes, very good. We will use have. Why have? Because it is a plural, so we will write you have burnt. Yes or no? Burn, burnt and burnt. In the past participle it is written as burnt. I have explained. Okay? Yes. Now see what is the third number? It is Mrs. Sinha has taught. Mrs. Sinha means here we are talking about one lady. Right? Only one lady we are talking. So what we will, it will be singular. So has and teach का हो जाएगा, क्या होगा? It will be taught. Understood? Okay, very good. Now what is it written? See, Jatin blank written from school. Written, and Jatin is only one boy, right? So again it is singular. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Has or have? We will write here has written. R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D. In the past participle it is written. Okay? Very good, clear. Now see, in the fifth number, we blank make a 3D model of the solar system. In the bracket, what we have given? Make. Okay, make दिया है ना, देखो fifth number में make है. So what it will be? Make, made and made. So in the past participle we will write made. So we it is means plural. So we have made. Okay, understood? Clear up till 5 number? Yes, very good. Now see what is 6 number? It is they blank know the truth for some time. Now tell me what is the given in the bracket? It is given no. So no, non and non. Okay, so it is written they. So they है, तो it is again plural है वो, right? So हम क्या लिखेंगे? They have non. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you understanding? Yes, very good. Now see 7th number. He blank freeze the blood samples in the freezer. He means we are talking about one boy. Yes or no? Okay, very good. So one boy is there. So it is singular. तो हम क्या use करेंगे? Has. Freeze है, तो freeze का हो जाएगा frozen. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. What is 8 number? You have blank draw beautiful portrait, right? So you have, so you it is again plural. So you have and draw का past participle हो जाएगा draw, draw and drawn, right? So you have drawn beautiful portrait, right? Now see 9th number. Jia blank hurt her leg and cannot walk. Okay, so Jia is one girl. Okay, so we are talking about only one girl, so it is singular, so we will write has plus past participle हमारा क्या होगा, hurt का hurt ही रहेगा. Okay, hurt, in the present tense it is hurt, and again past participle may be hurt. Understood? Okay, now it is 10th number. The American visitor. American visitor मतलब अमेरिका का एक इंसान. We are talking about only one person of America, right? So again it is singular. So what we will write, has, and go का क्या हो जाएगा, go, gone and gone again. Understood? So has gone. Clear? Now see 11th number. The children blank eat their lunch. Given here eat, the children. Children means it is already plural. अगर child होता तो it would be singular. So children है तो plural है. Plural में हम क्या use करते हैं? We use have in the plural. So have and eat का क्या हो जाएगा? Eat, ate, eaten. So in the past participle it will be eaten. So the children have eaten their lunch. Clear up till 11 number. Now see the last number. What is it? The authorities have blank. Sorry, the authorities blank shut the museum. Now what is it? Authorities. So there are so many people there. Okay. So it will be again have here, and shut का क्या होगा? Shut, and again it is shut. Understood? So last number is what? The authorities have shut the museum. Clear up till this page? Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.